Cutting-edge technology unraveled, and here's your must-see tutorial today. The digital age continues to evolve, with containerization leading the charge in web application deployment. Imagine creating an app in mere minutes and deploying it globally on Azure with zero admin overhead. That's not a wild dream, it's a quick, accessible reality for Indian IT professionals and fresh graduates eager to learn and adapt to the modern workplace. Today, you are going to master deploying a containerized web app via Azure App Service, a skill every tech-savvy professional needs. Let's dive into this immersive, knowledge-rich journey where technical depth meets practical application. Lesson 1: Understanding containerization and its benefits. Containerization, in essence, allows applications to run in isolated environments, container images. This isolation ensures that the app receives just the resources it needs, reducing overhead and optimizing performance. Consider a scenario where your e-commerce web app experiences unexpected delays due to resource contention on a shared server. Switching to a containerized setup with Azure App Service can quickly realign resources, keeping users engaged without fear of downtime. Lesson 2: Creating a simple Docker container. You are about to create a simple yet robust container suitable for hosting a basic web page about cloud services, leveraging Nginx and PHP. We use Docker Compose to orchestrate the setup easily on a Linux machine. This practical exercise will give you a tangible example of how web apps can be containerized and how Azure can manage them seamlessly. Lesson 3: Pushing the Docker container to Azure. Container Registry, ACR. Container artifacts need a trusted place to live, especially for large, complex applications. Azure Container Registry, ACR, is our reliable home for your Docker images. Let's simulate deploying our container to ACR, understanding authentication flows, and setting secure access policies. This knowledge